what is going to be the very final? Ah, I see. Okay, all right. So, I need I haven't got anybody in the back yet tonight.
This one on?
See, I have to go way back. Okay. And what I need is... Hi, would you like to help us with something? What's your first name?
Christina.
Christina, will you come up to the front? And Anusha, would you help us with something? What's your first name?
Micah.
Micah, come on up, Micah. Christina and Micah, give them a hand, guys. Such great people. Everybody's been so nice to help. Okay, you guys each get a microphone. Just stand right down here so you can see the action. Now, what you're going to do, make sure those work. Go la la la.
La 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 la.
Cool. They sound great. Okay. That's the loud one. I think that's the quiet one. You've got to really be loud on it. Okay. These guys are going to do a loud sound effects. Everything they do. Okay. And Christine, you're going to be doing Bud. Okay. And Micah, you're doing everything. You're going to be all the sound effects for everything Tyson does. So, Christina, let's try this. So, if Bud was opening a creaky old door in a haunted house. He's opening a door. Premonition. Okay, the door's open now. You can slam it. All right, very good, very good. Okay. And Tyson is going to open a rickety gate. Nasty old iron gate. Now slam that gate shut. Right on. That sounds like chain link to me. Okay, audience, what I need from you is something James Bond type spy might do. Something he might do.
Fly an airplane.
Fly an airplane, okay? He's gonna fly an airplane into something. Or he's gonna fly an airplane and jump out of a parachute. Okay, whatever. So it's airplane adventure. Okay. Off you go.
You know, when they said that the Bond girl was going to be Swedish, I wasn't hoping it would be you. But these are the cards I've been dealt, and I have to deal with it. Oh my God, the enemy planes are on us. I can hear their engines.
Let me turn them.
Sounds like they're having parties on them. They're drunk. They're angry.
I'll let the periscope.
Oh, and the birds are here too. Who let the birds in?
Oh my goodness. We better get over the machine gun.
Doing this. It sounds like it's cold. Oh. I know. I'll call home base. Hello, it's Bond. I'm reporting in. No one's answering.
I'll try my cell phone.
Man, you're fast.
Hello?
Mom? Just checking we're...
We're kind of dying here.
Nothing involving spying. We're fine.
Are you late for dinner again?
Yeah, listen, I'm driving at the red light.
You're not driving at home, are you?
That was weird. I'm going to hit the throttle. It's really loud. This spy technology's awesome.
That's amazing, isn't it?
I know.
Better put on the windshield wipers. We're going through the rain.
You're right.
Let's do it.
Wait. I turn off the Pac-Man game. Wait, I can hear them yelling at me from the plane.
Hey, you. Listen to this latest song by Katy Perry.
You're like a firework. let's see what the score is. Mr. Matthew Pippin, did you
Oh,
enjoy